Hey there. Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from us. Today, I'm super excited to talk about the Z908 Pro Max drone. This professional-grade drone is a game-changer in the world of aerial photography and videography. With its 4K HD camera, you can capture stunning, high-quality footage from the sky. Whether you're a professional photographer looking to add a new dimension to your work, or just a hobbyist who loves to explore new perspectives, this drone will take your creativity to new heights. But that's not all. The Z908 Pro Max drone also features optical flow localization and three-sided obstacle avoidance, making it incredibly easy to control and maneuver. You won't have to worry about crashing into anything while you're out capturing breathtaking shots. And let's talk about the design. This mini quadcopter is sleek, compact, and stylish. It's the perfect gift for any tech enthusiast or photography lover in your life. So, if you're ready to take your photography and videography to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the Z908 Pro Max drone. And the best part? You can find it at an amazing price by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!